Hello guys, today I'm discussing a 4 marks question from your Edexcel Economics Unit 1 paper. So we all know in our section B we get 5 4 marks questions and the total number of questions in this section B is 5 and you can score nearly 20 marks out of your 80 marks allocated for Unit 1 paper. So if you look at this question which I have taken from one of the past papers, this is assessing your quantitative skills. So no theory involved. Look at the question. The table below shows the gross weekly earnings for Canadian workers and the quantity of international passenger flights made by Canadians in 2014 and 2015. So using the information in the table, they say, using the data in the table, calculate the income elasticity of demand for passenger flights in Canada, show your workings. So as you can see, the question is entirely about your quantitative skills. You don't need to write any explanations including theory. So if you do the calculation properly with your workings, you can obtain 4 marks. So if you get a question like this, for price elasticity of demand, income elasticity of demand, and even for supply elasticity of demand and cross elasticity of demand, do not forget your first mark is awarded for your correct formula. So please write the formula first. So YED is percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in income. If you provide accurate formula, you can receive first mark out of your 4 marks. Next, we need to show with workings how did we calculate percentage change in quantity demanded and how did we calculate percentage change in income. So let's take the quantity demanded first. If you look at new quantity, that is 53,894,326. From this amount, we have to minus quantity in 2014. That is 51,899,308. So this shows the difference between 2014 and 2015. So we should calculate this as a percentage against 2014 demand. So in 2014 we had 51,899,308. And do not forget to convert this into a percentage. So you need to multiply this by 100. Right. So if you simplify this, how much will be your answer? That is going to be somewhere around 3.77. So the percentage change in quantity demanded is 3.77. Remember in exam, if you get more decimals, providing your answer for 2 decimal numbers would be sufficient. But you need to show the workings. How did you get this 3.77? So by showing this part, you can score another mark. So if you have done formula and this first calculation with working, you will receive 2 marks. Now let's find out percentage change in income. For that, we need to find out income in 2015. So that is 952.11 minus old income 935.33 and this should be calculated as a percentage against 2014 income. So that is 935.33 multiplied by 100. So if you simplify this, we get 1.79% as a percentage change in income. So now we have found percentage change in quantity demanded, percentage change in income. So remember, for mentioning the correct formula, you get 1 mark. Demonstrating how you calculated percentage change in quantity demanded with workings, you get 1 mark. Demonstrating how you calculated percentage change in income with your workings, you get 1 mark. So by now you have scored already 3 marks. Next, we need to apply this information into our YED formula and find the final answer. So that is 3.77 divided by 1.79. So if you simplify this, you get 2.11. So if you provide your correct answer for 2 decimal numbers, that is 2.11, you will receive your final mark. So altogether, you will receive 4 marks. So for this YED calculations, steps are pretty easy for you to remember. Formula, and how did you calculate percentage change in quantity demanded, and how did you calculate percentage change in income, and providing the accurate final answer for YED. So if you receive even questions from price elasticity of demand, supply elasticity of demand, cross elasticity of demand, you can use the same format, same steps to get full marks for 4 marks questions.